If you have the perfect colour yarn but not quite the perfect thickness, you can treble the thickness by making an extra loop of the yarn that you want to work with. So you can see there's a loop at each end. Pick up all 3 strands of your yarn and make your slip knot. You can then begin crocheting as you would ordinarily. When you get to a part where your triple yarn is running out, simply find your working yarn from the skein and pull it through the loop that you made previously to create a new loop. And there you have another 3 strands that you can work with. And you keep doing this all the way down your project. And there you have the perfect yarn.